Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah Ahmed Abdullah. I am member 1 of Team 17. Our project is a portable non-invasive measurement device. It's aimed to monitor two parameters. The first one is the oxygen saturation of the blood, and the second is the heart rate, which is the number of heart contractions per minute. Also, the project will call the patient's relative in case these two parameters were not in the appropriate range.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdulaziz Hassan. I'm member 2 of Team 17. I will talk about GSM, which is responsible for mobile communication in our project. We use a GSM to send a notification to relevant patient, and this type use a quad band so we can connect to any GSM network with a 2G SIM card. After running the project, the Arduino will send a signal to GSM to finding a network. The GSM will take some seconds to finding a network and connect to it. At the same time, the Arduino will receive a data from the sensor and analyze it. Analyzing the data will let us know what happened to the patient and how should we act according to this situation.
The GSM will work in all cases. The first case is the increase in heart rate. The second case is a decrease in heart rate. And the last case is a drop in oxygen saturation.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Bahaddad. I am member 3 of Team 17. I will talk about the user interface. The user interface in our project has 4 inputs. First one is entering the mobile number by the user for the person who helped patient to call and SMS message with the result. After that, the user enters the minimum of oxygen saturation according to the person and is provided through the medical advice. And finally, the user enters the minimum and maximum of heart rate and vary according to age and are provided through the medical advice.
Here is the project case. From the outside we have 3 things. The first is the sensor bulb, which is 1.5 meter long, and also we have the LCD to show the result, and the last thing we have the keypad to enter the variables. From the inside here we have the first thing is a 12 volt rechargeable battery and the switch on and off, and the breadboard that has a potentiometer to control the brightness of the LCD, and we have a buzzer and then a button that is connected with the interrupt button to switch off the buzzer once acknowledged. And as a microcontroller we have the Arduino Mega, and for that is the responsible for communication we have the GSM, and the last thing is the relay and the valve that will be opened when the patient oxygen saturation is low.
In the beginning, the user will enter the mobile number and press on a square. After that, he will enter the minimum of oxygen saturation and press on a square again, and enter the minimum of heart rate, then enter the maximum of heart rate and press on the square to save it and calculation process. If the user enters a wrong number, he can delete it by click on the star on the keypad.